Everything has been written, so let's preview it. So it's there right now. So it remains the formatting. University of Lagos would be bold, while computer science would be in italic. So that is the two formatting that is there. So we'll be using the strong code as usual. So let's check it. So it now bold. It remains making the computer science italic. So we use the the emphasis. So the computer science has also been italicized. So it remains this section actually. So for the skills, it will be H1 as usual. It will be H2, sorry. Skills. Oh, we forgot to put the horizontal line at education. So let's put that. HR. So it has appeared. So for this particular one, if you notice, it's slightly small, so it could be H3 or H4. So let's try that out. So this is it. So if you notice, the space between here is very so we have to add a break there. The code is and doesn't have a closing tag beyond. So if you notice, the space between them are not now different now. Now let's add the paragraph to so we add a BR also. on to the Python and Node.js. So now we shouldn't forget to add the horizontal line as usual. So let's add that. If you notice, it has been added already. So it remains the contact me section right now. So here we use paragraph here. So you can reach me via my Telegram channel. So if you notice, the GentleCoder email is strong, so we have to add a strong in there also. Strong. So let's add in the text. So that's all for today's tutorial. So if you find this video helpful and interactive, please try to like, share and subscribe. So in the next class we'll be talking about lists, tables, semantic HTML and how to organize web content like a pro. So if you find this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss lessons. So I'm GentleCoder, and remember, coding is not hard when it's taught